solid right there. Underneath that pipe. Wonder where that goes to.
Huh.
I know where it's not going to. It's not going to this pipe.
No, it's this guy right here.
Yeah, but where's the bottom going?
Probably back that way.
Must be going underneath. Yeah. It's going that direction. Probably get it under here. Got weeds down there too. That's cast iron. Yeah. Up this. Oops. Get plastic by now. I guess I gotta dig more deeper.
Other side of the box, maybe?
Well, that's plastic. It's cast iron.
Oh, so it's got to be right there.
I'm guessing somewhere in the middle there's it changes.
Yeah.
So that means I gotta tear this box out of here. Find out why Dad put it in an angle like this.
Oh.
It's not like him to do that.
No, maybe the dirt just moved over time, pushed it.
I just have to dig it out all the way. No, it's on top of the board or something.
Oh, weird.
Big
Okay.
piece of block. That's a brick. That's a brick. There's another brick right there. Brick.
I would think he would have given that valve more room too.
We got a hole under there now?
Yeah.
I get light. I think we hit something over there. I'll dig this one out. Well, we got more bricks around this place. Tear out chimneys to get bricks.
Yeah.
Some dirt dam here. It is. Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, all that work I saved cost.
I know. Nice of you.
Something up there. Well, that's the coffee pipe. Making a turn there, going up, I think. Oh,
You all right?
I think that blister's already hurting enough already. Well, I'm standing on one pipe, not the one I'm looking at. There's one we're looking for. There's actually two copper pipes. Exploratory survey first. sewer pipe.
Yeah. Is that what it changes right there?
Is that plastic?
Sounds like it.
There's plastic right there. There's clamp, steel. The water pipe.
What the heck is that?
8 blocks. There's another pipe. Something right there. There's a root. Exploratory surgery. Definitely digging under it. From this side. Something down there. In the hole. Here's this pipe.
Oh, yeah.
There's a loose in there or something. I don't know what that is. Something else down in there. I think I'm using the wrong tool.
Look at that trowel.
Got buried.
Oh, I hope not. Oh, yeah, maybe it did.
Put it over here when I look at it. There it is. Don't bury your trowel, you might need it. Oh yeah. It's just roots. It's these things. Something else. That's the water line. It's all wet too. It's definitely sand. Wet sand. Like I said, so the water comes from the backyard.
Oh. Drains through here.
Well, it just collects and goes into the house and floods into the house.
Yeah.
It's just wet, sloppy sand. Look how soft it is. Probably see standing water on it.
Oh, yeah.
See, it's mud. There's a rock down there or something. Yeah, it's definitely fucking wet. Okay, well that's where we come in at. Alright, so I gotta dig all this out. And then that's gonna be worked on. Now someone undercut that about all the way underneath, so I wouldn't walk on this too much. And this here, looks like he had something glued on there, ain't there no more.
Yeah.
It's supposed to keep the crap out of it. But instead, it all is coming out there. And most of that come out look like that, didn't it? Got a bunch in there. It's an open bottom bucket. That's why it's like that. It's open bottom.
Oh, okay.
Got a light buried damn valve in water. Dirt. think you've at least, how the hell would you ever turn that? It's right up against the edge. I think it's buried in sand. I'm not sure if you ever want that to work. From what I can see, there's no damn way it would ever work.
Right.
I don't know which way it's supposed to go, but there's no access either way. I think we're fixing that problem a little bit. Of course, if I leave it, it'll probably leak forever, so better not do that. Come up in the bottom easier. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Access from the bottom. The reason the box is sideways is because of the valve, the way he made the valve.
Oh.
It needs a lot bigger box put in here.
Yeah.
There's no damn way you're going to use this box the way it is. Valve, you can't get, you have no access to get to it. And now I've got it uncovered where you can probably, if it goes that way, you can turn it. I'm assuming that's the direction it goes, but before you couldn't even move it because it was buried.
Right.
So now you can get to it. All right. Got a bunch of dirt down here. What I need is a French drain. That's what I was hoping we could do with that pipe that's buried 6 feet under. That one is 16 inches below this one.
Yeah.
If that goes all the way in the back, which is an open pipe, it has water, but it has no place to go because it's buried in the ground. It's just to have a hole that big just ends.
Oh.
But there's water in the pipe. So if that can be opened up, put a pump down there and pump it out somehow, or at least let it in down there, it might stop some of the water going into the hose. So right now gets a lot of water in there when it rains.
Yeah.
I think this gas pipe's bad.
Think so?
Yeah. Could be.
Well, it might be good for something.
Otherwise you're going to step on that box too much, it's going to go.
Yeah, you might want to let your sister know before she falls into this hole.
She keeps walking through here like it's a pathway.
Oh, well.
She's going to find out. It's already dipping. That whole thing's just going to fall in. She
Yeah.
won't mind, would she?
Nah.
She can grab the pipe on the way down.
Oh, good.
Or grab this one up here.
Oh, good.
Should have one effect, they say.
She'll be real happy about that.
Yeah. All right, well, this my gas line out to replace. Saving some more.
Yeah.
Got that other deep if I have to. Bitchin'.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, I would have to dig that up all the way that way. The wall there and a plant over there. I don't want to go through that.
No.
As it is, I got to dig this one that way. At least that's only 18 inches down or so. Let's make it a beeline right to my front wheel of my SUV there.
Yeah.
I wonder where it actually goes to though. Looks like there's a water and gas pipe. Or electrical and, electrical and gas pipe, that's what it is. See, electrical's red and how that works.
I have no idea.
Gas is red, electrical's yellow.
I'm not sure.
You sell out of me. Get these fancy flags, they'll mean something.
Yeah.
I mean, you need. I mean, over there. How did that get low?
Whoa.
Trying to fall down over there?
I'm trying not to fall down.
See, they're right there.
Looks like you got another. Is that a good gas line?
Electric line is the plastic one. And the gas is right next to it. So that sewer pipe's plugged going down that way. So, and that line there, if you look at that line, it still goes right underneath the foundation of the house.
Yeah.
Great place to put a line underneath foundation.
Right. Yeah.
So I need to pull it out about 2 feet and dig out right next to the house and put a new one in.
Oh.
Then I gotta go that way and fix the yard. If you look at the sidewalk, see how big dip out there?
Oh yeah.
There's a water leak out there.
Oh.
A few years ago.
Uh-oh.
We got brass bung stoppers on our pipes too, that's how old they are.
Damn.
Nobody stole them because we couldn't get them out.
Huh.
But anyway, you snake that one and it doesn't go through and doesn't unplug it all the way. Like half unplugged.
Really?
Yeah.
Well,
That's what we're digging, shit, falling water.
Huh.
Mine looks fine.
Well, that's good.
If I put 2 holes in it down there. Oh well.
Whatever.
Alright, that's it for the day. How do I get out of here?
If you're not, you're just gonna curl up down there. I'm gonna throw some dirt on you.